Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So these are the cards. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Strength, Seven of Swords and Page of Wands in reverse. So Scorpios, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really courageous. You have a lot of determination and willpower. And you are someone who has great dreams, goals and aspirations, and you are working towards those dreams and aspirations, and you are someone who is really determined, and you have your determination is what is seeing through today, guys. Maybe you may be facing some troubles in your work or in your relationship. Maybe there is someone trying to grab your opportunities, offers, trying to make use of you in some ways. But whatever your situation is, let it be in your work or in your relationship, you are someone who is really strong-willed. So if you decide on something, if you make that decision, you stand by that no matter what. And you never change or you never give up your belief or ideals. So you are a very strong-hearted person with a lot of perseverance and strength. And maybe the problems you are facing today, it involves someone really close to you. So you may feel that you cannot trust this person, maybe because of the way they are. And this person is trying to use your skills and talents in some ways to benefit themselves, guys. That is again giving you a lot of stress, and maybe they are depending on you for they are not responsible. They have a careless attitude and they expect you to be responsible, take care of them also, or take care of their work or some of their responsibilities. And maybe for some of you, this person is even burdening you with their responsibilities and you are trying really hard to avoid it, but you are unable to avoid this person. So this person may be someone really close to you and you are unable to avoid them, avoid their request, or avoid this way them you trying to use you or control you in some ways. And for some of you guys, upon this, maybe you are facing lot of stress, and because you are a strong-hearted person, courageous one, you are taking it along the stride. So whatever this person does, you are not worried, you are just not concentrating on that, and you are proceeding positively, thinking positively in your situation. But today for some of you, there is a big announcement coming, guys. Maybe they are here to tell you something. Maybe it may be something good for some of you, a positive announcement, guys. But for some of you, I see it not to be a very good news. Maybe this person is this person you love, or someone who is trying to use you. If they are leaving you, it is something good, but it may be something even worse than trying to use you. So you need to be careful, guys, Scorpios. So if you have someone like that in your situation, you need to try and avoid this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished or you may be scolded or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty, and you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel, and this may not go well with this person or someone in your life, and this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is that in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need for to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you are facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you are facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty, and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way. Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak, we can take support, and the areas we are strong, we can help the other person. So in a relationship, we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And that is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other. So the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other. So that way we are working towards a peaceful connection. And this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that, going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.